Hello, book lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the literary gems that expand your horizons. Today, we're diving into The Financial Diet, a total beginner's guide to getting good with money by Chelsea Fagan. This book isn't just a financial guide, it's a journey of self-discovery and financial wellness. Chelsea shares her own experiences and challenges, giving us practical advice that's not only smart, but also relatable. From budgeting basics to managing debt, investing smartly, and building long-term wealth, this book is a comprehensive guide for anyone looking to master their personal finances. It's like having a money mentor at your fingertips. Chelsea's writing is engaging and accessible, making this book a joy to read. She simplifies complex concepts in ways that even the most financially challenged among us can understand. And don't overlook the visual appeal. The layout is clean, easy on the eyes, and the graphics are informative without being overwhelming. So if you want to start your financial journey on the right foot or refresh your understanding of money management, The Financial Diet is an excellent choice. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into captivating books. Until next time, happy reading!